Now turning to our first alert forecast now, and our chief meteorologist Scott Padgett. It's a scorcher out there, and it's really just ratcheting up, isn't it?
It really is. A library, good spot to maybe get a book and just sit there and read in the air conditioning, because today we have a heat advisory in place. So alerting you to that fact, and parents, as you're planning ahead, and the rest of us as well. The next few days, temperatures will be into the triple digits. I expect this heat advisory to get extended tomorrow, then also into Thursday, because that feels like temperature near 107 to 108 in the forecast with this sunshine in full force. Right now, Clyde Warren Park, not a whole lot of people out and about. Well, there are a couple of people just kind of walking around a little bit. It's 90 degrees. It feels like 100 as you step on outside with a south wind at 10, gusting up to 20. That dew point that measures the moisture in the atmosphere at 75. So I want to alert you to the fact that today's a day that you need to exercise your heat precautions, wear a light, that loose fitting and light color clothing. Also make sure you hydrate a whole lot. Take breaks inside in the air conditioning if you can, or in the shade. 90 in Fort Worth right now. It's 91 in Arlington to 90 in Rockwall. Across North Texas, 94 in Denton, one of our warmer readings. We're at 93 in Graham and Breckenridge. But when you factor in the dew points in the 70s, it already feels like 102 in Denton to 101 in Waxahachie to 100 in Cleburne. So this is going to be the story the next few days. Not a lot of changes on the way. I am forecasting the upper 90s in the east sides of North Texas when we're closer towards the area of high pressure. A little bit hotter to the west where we have drier air in place. 104 in Breckenridge today, but around the Metroplex about 100 to 101 the actual temperature. So parents, after school today, getting the kids, the heat advisory is going to be in place. We're going to see temperatures near 100 degrees, feeling more like 105 to 107. So that nice, cool afternoon school treat, not a bad idea. 105 possibly feeling like today in Denton to 107 in Dallas to 108 in Athens. Doesn't change too much into tomorrow. Moisture content is going to be there. The dew points in the upper 60s to the low to the mid 70s. Will feel like 107 to 106 across the Metroplex, 106 in Sulphur Springs. So it's likely that this heat advisory gets extended through tomorrow. Right now it's in place till 9 o'clock for tonight. That feels like temperature up to 108. Most of North Texas, our far west sides, Eastland County, Comanche County, down to parts of the Stephenville area, not included in the heat advisory. But this is what I'm talking about. The forecasted dew point into the afternoon hours in the mid 60s to then back into the 70s. It normally mixes out into the afternoon hours. So that moisture content's there. You can feel it as you step outside. Thanks to this area of high pressure sitting right overhead, it's going to meander around as we go through the next few days, set up for a little bit more to the west going into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as it does so, we get even hotter. Look at this. First alert 7-day forecast, 103 Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, 104 to possibly 105 on Sunday. If we get there, that's the hottest day of the year so far.
All right, Scott, thank you.